City, you're sitting down. You passed your 6 month, Suri. Hi. You can sit down by yourself, baby. Very good. Say smile. Hi, baby. Smile. Wow, you can sit down by yourself. That's good, baby. You're really good. Yeah. Suri, say hi. Can you raise your hand? Can you raise your hand? Yeah. Yes, baby. Go play with it. Go play with it. Can you sit up a little bit better? You can touch the toys. Oh, no, bye-bye. Come on, go play. Can you play, baby? You don't have to look at me. Just play with the toys. Push the button. Push the button, baby. Wow, you can sit down really good, baby. Are you okay? You want to say hi, Daddy? Do re mi. Are you okay, baby? Are you okay? It's so cute, baby. Turn around. You don't have to look at me. Go play. Okay, I'll record for you later, okay? You a good 6 months. March 11th was your 6 month, remember? It's now past 3 days. You okay? Good job, baby. Very good. Very good.